Hello, saxophone players. Let's work on line 18 together. Go tell Aunt Rhodie. So first thing, let's listen to it. I'll play it for you. Second thing, we will count the rhythm together. Then we'll look at the fingerings, the letter names, and then we'll play it. Okay, so go ahead and listen to it first. Here's what it sounds like. So that's what it sounds like. So first thing we want to work on is the counting of the song. So let's take a look here at the beginning, and we'll notice that we have half notes and quarter notes. What are half notes? Half notes are these notes that are white in the middle. They got the hole in the center, but they have a stem attached to them. So there's a half note, there's a half note, there's a half note, there's another one, and so on and so on, okay? Half notes are worth 2 beats, or 2 seconds of sound, basically, okay? So when you get there, I like to think, ta, count to 2 in your head, ta. Okay, so that's how long a half note is. And here's what a half note sounds like. You just hold it for one long sound for 2 beats long. Okay, we don't tongue it twice. We don't go. We just tongue it once. Okay, so there's your half notes. Then we have next to it the quarter notes, and they look like half notes, but they're solid black. And these are worth 1 beat of sound. So we're just going to give it 1 second. Ta. Okay, that's quarter notes. Ta. So let's count the song together. We have half notes, quarter notes. At the very end, we have a half rest. Sits on top of the line. It's just like a half note. It's just a silent half note. So it's 2 beats of silence. And when you get there, we'll say rest, rest. Okay, and then we do have a repeat sign. That's the 2 dots at the end. So it means we'll go back and do the whole song again. Okay, let's go ahead and count it together using the word ta. Ready? Let's just count it. Count out loud with me. Ready? Here we go. Ta, 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 rest, rest, ta, 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 rest, rest. You don't have to sing this song, but if you know what it sounds like, it's kind of nice to be able to sing along with it. It helps you get the song in your head. All right, so that is the counting. I hope that makes sense. If that doesn't make sense, please rewind it and count it with me again until you can get really good between the half notes and the quarter notes. Okay, now we want to look at the letter names of the song. And in this song, we're going to be using G's, A's, B's, C's, and D's. So the first 5 notes, G's, A's, B's, C's, and D's. You need to make sure you know the fingerings for those 5 notes. I'm not going over the fingerings right now, so you need to know that. Okay, on your own, you can go back and review that if you need to. And I'm going to slow the speed down because it does say 80, which is a little fast. So let's take it down 20 notches. Let's take it down to 60. Because when you practice a song, you want to practice it at a speed where you can do it right. Okay, so let's go ahead and this time say the letter names together. Okay, starting on the B. Ready? Would you say it with me? Here we go. Let's say it. B, B, A, G, G, A, C, B, A, G, D, D, C, B, B, A, C, B, A, G. Rest, rest, say it again. B, B, A, G, G, A, C, B, A, G, D, D, C, B, B, A, C, B, A, G. Rest, rest. Okay, if you can go that speed, good for you. Now let's grab the saxophone and say it one more time, and this time we're going to push the keys as we say it, okay? Try to move your fingers right in time. So for example, going from right here in the music, the B to the A to the G, and you go down like that, move your fingers right in time like this. B, A, G. Move them really fast and move them all at the same time, okay? B, A, G. So move your fingers quick. Let's say 18 together and move our fingers this time. Here we go. B, B, A, G, G, A, C, B, A, G, D, D, C, B, B, A, C, B, A, G. One more time. B, B, A, G, G, A, C, B, A, G, D, D, C, B, B, A, C, B, A, G. Rest and done. Right. If you can do it like that, saxes, then you're ready to play it. Okay. On the D, did you get your thumb key down on the back? Thumb 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't forget about the thumb. Okay. All right. Let's try playing it. Here we go. Grab your saxophone. Get in playing position. Here we go. Go ahead and pause it. We would do it again, of course. When you go through the song, look for the hard spots. If there's a spot that's getting you, go back and just practice that section over and over until you mastered it. Okay. For most students in this song, it's this measure right here, where you have the quarter notes and you're going to change fingers on every single note. So you might want to just practice that measure over and over. Let's try this measure together 3 times in a row. Okay, the blue measure. Ready? 1, 2. Start on the A. Ready? Here we go. Do it again. Ready, go. Again, ready, go. And you can pause the video and you can practice those hard spots, one at a time. So the next step, saxophones, of course, is once you can play the song slowly at 60, then try it at 70. And if you can do it at 70, then try it at full speed, which is 80. And that's just like the beginning of the video. So you can go back to the beginning of the video and play with me. Okay? And then, of course, once you got it at full speed, then you're ready to record it and send it to me. Okay? I hope that helps you, saxophones. Good luck on line 18.